Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you. I hope you all are good and safe. So friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you how to do a step-by-step registration for a State Bank of India Junior Associates post. So friends, yesterday we had uploaded a video SBI hiring, and the number of seats is 5,000 and the salary is 35,000, and any graduation will be able to apply for this particular job. So we saw there were a lot of comments, and I said in the next video I'll be definitely taking care of all your comments, right? So there were a lot of comments were there, sir, I'm in final year, so can you see if I am eligible or not? So all these questions we will definitely take today, and I will be also showing you the registration process. So friends, the first question, the salary is 35,000. Yes, that is true, because 19,000 is only your basics. On top of basics you will be getting TA, DA, HRA and lot of works, so which will become 35,000 in hand salary. And friends, any graduation, so if you have done BBA, BCom, right, BCA, any graduation you have done, you are eligible to write this test, and there is no percentage criteria as well. And friends, most of your answers, your queries will get answered here. So there were many people who were asking, sir, I'm completing my graduation at this particular time, can you tell me if I am eligible or not? So it is clearly mentioned here. So if you have done, if you are going to complete your graduation before 16th of August 2021, then only you can apply for this particular job. If you are completing your graduation after 16th of August, then you won't be able to apply for this particular job. Okay, so be very clear. So there should not be any doubt, because everything, each and everything has been already mentioned in this PDF file, and the link will be also given in this particular videos as well. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. So most of your doubts will definitely been covered here. And syllabus also I had told you, so prelims and mains both syllabus has been also given here. So pay scale you can see, so 19,900 is your basics, and including everything in hand salary will be 35,000. Okay, so when these are the major criteria, and many of them were asking, sir, I am from Jharkhand, so will I be able to apply or not? So friends, irrespective of which state you are, see, your mother tongue is what? Hindi. You know Hindi, then you can, if you're from Jharkhand, you can apply from Bhopal, right? So you can apply from your nearby places. So maybe in Jharkhand and Bihar the seats are not there, so you can apply from Bhopal, you can apply from Delhi. So wherever Hindi, you can apply from Jaipur, right? So irrespective of any state, so here the local language matters. So if you know Hindi, you can fill from any of the states where Hindi is the mother tongue, right? Okay, I hope these things will be clear to you. Now, friends, so what is the procedure for the new registration? So I will show you each and everything. So how to upload the photos. So friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, because I'll be updating you with all the new hirings and new openings. So the first name, so first name is Pratik. Okay, confirm first name. That is also Pratik, right? Okay, I do not have any middle name. Then confirm last name. So last name is Kumar. Okay, Kumar, fine. Then mobile number is so 80884527760. So friends, definitely all these details you need to see carefully to apply that, because there is some charges which you need to pay for it. Okay, so and if you're from different uh, castes, so in banking you have reservations in fees as well, so OBC, ST, ST, so you can check the document that will also impact your seats. Okay, I mean the payment for that particular post. And then email ID, so email ID pratikkumar.125@gmail.com. So domain name you do not have to give, right? So domain name is available here, so it is gmail.com. Okay, confirm your email ID, so pratikkumar.125. Okay, and then D8VMC, okay, is nothing but the code. And now click on save and next. So are you sure the data is correct? Yes, the data is correct. You need to verify. Now after that, friends, you should be getting a email, right? So if you'll open your email, then you should be getting an email that your registration process. So you just have to registered. Okay, so might be you will be getting the mail in some time. I have still not got, so we will wait for that. So we should be getting a email, and we should also be getting a uh, what to say, message, right? Okay. Now friends, the next is photo and signature. So photo and signature, so scan photograph of the candidate and the signature, right? So scan signature of the candidate. Friends, size matters here. So the photo should be of size 20 KB to 50 KB. I'm not very much sure, so you can check here. So if you'll search for photo, then photograph, okay, so the size will be mentioned here. Okay, so it is somewhere in between 20 to 50 KB, what I could remember. So friends, what you can do is, okay, so you can see one more thing, friends. So application fees and intimation charges. So if you're from SC, ST, okay, PWD, then you do not have to pay anything. If you're from general, OBC and EWS, then you need to pay 750 rupees, right? Okay, so this photo size, you need to search here, or let me do one thing. I'll directly put 20 KB. So, okay, 20 is not there, 20 KB. Yeah, so you can see the size of the photos will be 20 KB to 50 KB. So now I have already kept the photos on my desktop and the name is with photo. Okay, so you can see the size 22 KB. So friends, you also have to uh, keep your photo in that mode. Okay, now friends, so there is one website, picresize.com. So there you can go and resize your photo. So if your photo is 50 KB, 60 KB, then what you can do is you can visit this website and then you can have your photos and signature in that particular range. Now, so for signature, friends, the signature will be, I think it is more than 10 to, so it will be in between 10 to 20 KB. So you can see signature and that will be also uploaded here. Okay, so signature, right? And now click on next. So step by step, if there will be any error, then that error will be thrown on that particular page. Then the basic details. So do you want to apply under? Okay, so regular vacancies and backlog vacancy, special recruitment drive. So friend, this is regular vacancies, so you need to select the regular vacancies. Circle, so for which circle you wanted to apply. So if you want to apply from Bangalore, so if your local language is Kannada, then Bangalore. Hindi means you can apply from Bhopal, but you will be able to apply from only one state. Okay, you cannot apply from the multiple states. Okay, so I have selected simply here Bhopal. So state you want to apply for, so in Bhopal we have Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So let us select any random data. Official language, so official language I know Hindi. Do you have 10th or 12th standard marks sheet satisfying certificate evidencing having studied official local language? Yes. So in your certificate 10th class or 12th class, it will be mentioned that Hindi as one of the subject. Category, so general category, if SC/ST category means you can directly submit SC/ST. So I am selecting general here so that I will take you to the payment page. Are you a person with benchmark disability? No. Okay, so not a disabled person. And then are you suffering from okay, so these fields you cannot select it. Okay, so you can see this field are not for us. Okay, fine. Then religion to which you belong, so depends upon what region you belong, you need to select it. Do you belong to religious minority committee? No. Nationality Indian. Are you seeking relaxation? No. Ex-serviceman? No. Okay. And then, so are you dependent of serviceman killed? Okay. So friends, I am selecting which is applicable for me. You have to select whatever applicable for you, right? Okay. Then, so have you earlier employed in State Bank of India? No. Are you working in the State Bank of India? No. And then, do you have record of default in repayment? No. Is there any adverse report regarding character? And no. Okay, state U2, so which state you want to write the examination, right? So state UT to which the prelims examination center belong, so you can select the state according to yourself. Okay, and friends, there will be no online exam, I mean work from home exam, so you cannot sit at home and write this exam. So once this corona will be little slow, and once the exam will start, then you need to write the exam and then you can give the city name. So I'm giving Muzaffarpur. Okay, so accordingly you can select. So main exam, so again Bihar. Okay, and then again I will select the same place or some other place. Okay, I intend to bring the following ID. Okay, so you need to get this ID. I confirm my name on the ID. Okay, now I'll put the Aadhaar card number. Okay, and Aadhaar card will be 12-digit number, so 12349876543 I don't know if it will take or not. Better start with 5 because Aadhaar card generally starts with 5. Okay, now date of birth, So you have to select your date of birth. Do not copy any data from this particular video, okay? Because this is my data, and that too, it is not correct, right? So I'm just filling some random data. Okay, so 1993. And then, so gender is, yes, gender, you have to fill it very carefully. So gender is nothing but male. Do you have twins, brother or sister? Oh, otherwise that twin brother and sister will go at your place, and then he or she will write the exam. Marital status, so you can put, right, unmarried. So father's first name, so you can put, okay. So I do not have father. Okay, so father's first name and father's last name, okay. And then mother's first name, so you can fill some data. And mother's last name is not mandatory, but anyway I'll fill it. And then address, so address, I'll fill some random address, okay. And then this is some address which it is not my address, so this is just some address which has been copied here, okay. And choose the address for GST invoice, so this is permanent address, both is same. And then you'll have to put the payment. So validate your details, so they will validate your details. So one or more error found in page, so invalid value of father's first name. Okay, so now I don't know, I just exceeded a bit, one or two letters I added. Okay, so anyway, you can just put the space if you do not have any other names here. Okay, so now this is, you can see there is no error. Okay, so this basic is done, and now save and next. So friends, if you have put everything correctly, if there is no error, then you will be getting this green symbol, right? Okay, then exam passed, so graduation. Okay, so if we have appearing, so you have to make sure that you are going to complete it before August. Okay, and then you can see arts, commerce, science, agriculture, management, engineering, name of the college. Okay, I'll just put okay, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology. It is taking already. Okay, fine. And then marks and all, everything is disabled. Okay, fine. Post graduation, other things, no details. Okay, now work experience, so you do not have any work experience, do not fill. If you have already worked somewhere in software, do not fill. Okay, languages which you know, so read, write and speak Hindi. Okay, whether desires of taking pre-exam training, so this is not required for us, so that field we will not fill. Okay, I think I'll just validate your details and we will see. Okay, so there is no error. Okay, so there is no error. So if you have already completed your graduation, then you need to fill here date of passing, percentage of marks and class and graduates. Okay, if you have not completed, then you do not have to worry at all. And then validate and next. So this will become your form, so which will come with your image. I confirm this is my photo. So you see friends, it looks like my photo only. Yeah, fine. Then let us calm down. Okay, and I agree to all of the data which I have filled, and I confirm this is my signature, and then complete registration. Fine. So once you'll complete the registration, then after that what? Payment, right? Okay, on completion of registration. Okay, so on completion of registration, no changes of the data already entered will be permitted. After completion of the registration, proceeds for document upload and payment process. Okay, so fine. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, so I want to complete this, right? Then the thumb impression is required, and there is handwritten declaration. So friends, thumb impression means that about the thumb impression also, the details will be given here. So thumb impression, right? So the details will be given, so you can check. So bank at various stages may capture thumb impression or iris. Okay, so you have to get your thumb impression. Candidates will ensure that the correct thumb impression is captured. Okay, so you have to get this thumb impression, and then handwritten declaration. Friends, handwritten declaration means it's very easy, so I will also write it in the comment box. But the handwritten declaration is nothing but, you just need to say this is myself, Pratik Kumar, filling these forms, and I, whatever the data has been filled during the form, when you're trying to fill the form, so all the data are proper, and then you have to put your sign. So that also I will mention in the uh, your the pinned comment. So you can see here, so the text is as follows. So you can put this text: I, Pratik Kumar, date of birth, hereby declare that the all the information submitted by me in the application form is correct, true and valid. I will present the supporting document as and when required. This signature, photograph and thumb impression is of mine. So this is what you have to put in this one white paper and scan it, and then you need to upload it here. Okay, so I do not have that, this thumb impression and handwritten declaration, and then you have to put that and then save and next. So once you'll put on save and next, then you'll be redirected to the payment page. So complete your payment, and any kind of doubts, you please refer this PDF file. And if it's still not getting resolved, then you please put a comment in the comment box. So I'll be happy to help you at each and every stage of any hiring process. Thank you, friends. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.